explode. It's 4 up, 2 twisted in the middle. Got a cannon on my head, locked and loaded with the missiles. Yeah, sucker free 104 in this motherfucker. Yeah, with the homie F Nasty. Look, Lennox to King Cobras, you know what it is? Yeah.
Yeah. Bitch niggas like social. She a little bad bitch, so I'm poking. Big gas when I'm smoking. Before I hit a lick, bitch, I scope. Richest that's I in the county jail. 130 burpees in myself. Fat nigga, but I'm living well. I caught a case and I didn't tell. My bitch is bad, her pussy.
Wasn't gon' hit him. I looked in his eyes, told him never fall. The devil was in him. I was trapping out the telly, it ain't nothing you can tell me. I remember being busted spreads with my celly, and I'm tatted on my belly like my name Machiavelli. It's 30 on the 40, see I gotta stay ready. All this money that I'm making, everybody out to give me, and I pray every day. That's the Lord that He blessed me. Could've died just the other day, but He didn't let me. Put that on my mama when I see him, I'ma get him. I remember I was broke, now I stay getting cheddar. I remember life was hard, now I stay getting better. So Rolex on my wrist with the diamonds on the bezel. At times I was doing bad, I was dancing with the devil. I remember I was broke, now I stay getting cheddar. I remember life was hard, now I stay getting better. So Rolex on my wrist with the diamonds on the bezel. Times I was doing bad, I was dancing with the devil. Now I'm popping in my section, I got bitches on bitches. And I can flood your section, I got trenches on trenches. I can teach you how to trap, I got lessons on lessons. And this bitch say she love me, but she love my money. Same bitch wanna fuck me when the shit get ugly. So I don't trust nobody but my new little buddy. Bought a brand new 40 for my cousin, call him Cuddy. Same dope boy at the corner serving all the customers. I trap in the rental. I tinted the windows. Can't see up in them. If I miss with the 4-5, bitch, the squad no gon' hit him. I looked in his eyes, told him never fold. The devil was in him. 40s extendos. Trap in the rental. I tinted the windows. Can't see up in them. If I miss with the 4-5, bitch, the squad no gon' hit him. I looked in his eyes, told him never fold. The devil was in him.
But it's push start. Stugging bad, probably dying from a good heart. My killer probably in my contacts. Brother bailed and I ain't got nowhere to bond at. Every time they send a shot, we send them right back. Glock came with NyQuil, hit his nightcap. I could buy this off-white, but I like black. Fast food, spin these chicken nuggets for the right Mac. Ay, I be in the mix like a red bone. Caught a charge, you ain't call me like a dead phone. Tricky moves and these suckers who we dance on. Niggas throwing rocks, but that's okay, we throwing headstones. Baby, I'm a pimp, I sell crap. I think niggas work at lids, they sell cap. I ain't got no one to trust, I fell back. Lost friends, steady tryna find them like who sell maps. Numb in pain, mixing Alizé and Hennessy. Show my
left, we taking over, huh? Baby, wanna fuck with me, I'm gon' need my funds. I ain't going in the party if I can't bring my gun. Can't trust niggas, that's why I always ride with one. Wanna top out because I'm always getting some. Taking life chances, it's never guaranteed. I'm the runner from niggas just up under me.
I know you heard of Alejandro. Oh wait, the reason they all follow. He think I want his bitch, he think I'm on her, but I'm not though. Bel Ferragamo, holding up the Rollo. The game ain't nothing but ism, like always. I've been keeping it 100 since the small face. The boss man, nigga, I can get the call made. Just like that, baby. Yeah, just like that. Plus tax. And them boys did it again. Hometown heroes. Guess things gonna be alright after all. Alejandro.
Yes, ma'am. Flexing hard on the gram. Taking naps for some clout. See a dude on the man. Goddamn. I said ass fat. I can really make that ass clap. Get that shit bounce all like damn.
Baby facing the shorty, I put the wood in her. Fucking with a thugger, baby, she needs some hood in her. But I'm dick, no, I got it, I'm
with your mans. I knew you was sexy, never thought you'd be a fan. Yes, ma'am.
With a big stick, baby girl fine when you suck it with the lipstick. I don't got time, I'ma hit you with the hit stick. Yes, RS. Wind down, break down, been looking for some beef. I'm a young ass rapper when I really bang the street. I need something but the killer, other hitters want some beat. And you know I keep it realer, I'm a nigga in the street. All about my money, yeah, I'm all about my cheese. And know I'm really banging and they know I'm in the east. I do it for my hitters and I do it for my G's. I'm bagging in my city and I'm bagging in the streets. I do it for my hitters and I do it for my G's. Know I'm really banging and they know I'm in the east.
Cuadro por cuadro el billete duplico. I'm not gonna stop till a nigga get rich. Me lower the price y te lleva los 5. Break out the scales, make it look like a fish.
You really mad cause you made it out. Got too much money, gotta weigh it out. 2 chops, fast cars, and you murdered out. Really got a crib, I ain't playing around. Been through the storm, gotta wait it out. Diamonds on my neck and it dance around. Looked at my rollie, it's my time, I ain't playing around. Oh shit.
The sky, right, let's let it to God, cause I ain't ready to die. Gang life, take control, being invisible is critical. Ran that shit back, so now sleep is getting difficult. For my buried friends, to me this inadmissible. Harlows are reciprocal and swift based off principle. If we only murder criminals and die, where do us killers go? Dolphins, yeah, they're
I took up to 3 when you see me. Hey, I took up to 3 when you see me. I ain't never had it easy when we hit a nigga block bouncing out, it's getting greasy. I'm a 9th Street savage. With that slab habit, he pop.